Hello and welcome for the Hackerone CTF. We're going to try PostBook for this video. I already started an instance and we are in front of a box that is something that is like going to post. So with this amazing tool, you can write and publish your own posts. It allows you to write public and private posts. Public posts can be read by anyone that signs up, and private posts can only be read by you. See it as your own diary, and we'll make sure that your private posts are safe with us. So you have home, sign in, sign up. The home is already there. As you can see, it's index. Sign in. You can see that there is a page parameter that is getting the PHP one, and sign up, which is registering an account. Uh, same mechanism. It's working with the page equal and the page itself. So for this specific, we have 7 flags. So let's try to see how we go. We have different ways to start. The first one would be to read and look at the source at the same time. If we go to the home, we see a few things, but none are really interesting to discuss here. You have container, listing out everything, nothing fancy. Let's sign up. No, let's try admin, 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 password. Nope. User, user. User password. Oh, we got our first flag. And yes, this is valid. Cool. Okay, we had a first flag, and that's cool. So when we go for this post, we can edit it. Okay, you can probably delete it. So we have access to new stuff. Write my profile and settings, which gives so apparently I can change my okay, interesting. So I can see read here, and let's look at ID. Can I work out something? Oh, okay. I was able to look at another ID. So creating a broken access level or an IDOR that allowed me to read the flag. Okay, so I have another flag. This one was secret. I'm so glad that I okay. So I could see them. First post is the first post. Second post is this one. The third one is mine, supposedly. And obviously, if I have something else, nothing happens. If I do an apostrophe after, nothing happens. Okay, so what happens if I go for edit, but instead of the post 3, I'm editing the post 2, which I know is actually possible. It's literally the admin one that I'm editing right now. That's the new one. So I edited, I created, no, I didn't create yet. So I read another one, which gave me, I I logged in as a user. It gave me the first one. I viewed someone else post. It gave me the second one. I have edited someone else post. That gave me a third one. Okay, what else can we do? So we have write a post. And when we write a post, it's actually using a form that is going to post to create PHP. It has a text, which is the title. Awesome. It has the body. It has the checkbox. It has user ID, which is Eden. And we have the submit button. Right now, I'm the author user, which has the user ID 2. So what happens if I switch to 1? Creation, impersonation of user 1, admin, question mark. Yay! Has been created as admin, and the post has been created. So I am able to impersonate someone. So we have created a post as someone else. We have created a post normally. We have read a post. We have edited a post. What's happening if we do? Let's create a new post. And this post will be an trash post to be deleted. Okay, so now if I'm inspecting this one, I have an ID that looks to be some MD5. Okay, so what happens if I go to crack station, for example? and ask about this ID. Interesting. So that's number 5, which means that we could try to do the same things as we did with the IDORs by having the other ones. So assuming that we know the ID of the post that we want to delete, maybe we can delete it without having being the actual user or the author. So let's run CyberChef and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So what I want for that is basically have the okay. So E4, D4, that's yeah, that's the one that we had. So that's a user ID 5. But if we go back to home and have this one, which should be the first. So if I go for this, but put the first one there. Yes, I have been able to delete the first post. So I could edit, I could create, I could read, and I could delete. We have done the CRUDs. We were able to log in as a user because of its weak password, user password. That makes 5. We are missing 2 of them. So what features did we not try? One of the questions you should ask yourself when you have an application that has user account is how does it like keep track of the session? How do you make it? How the application is making sure that you are who you are. If I go to my get request here and look at the cookies, I see one here, C81, C81. Okay, that's ID2. Okay, let's be a bit trying on this one. If we go here, looks like I'm logged in as administrator. Yes, I'm an admin. So by switching the cookie ID, I was able to open my session under admin. So, oops, yes, okay. Just to keep track of this, admin cookie. So admin, okay, user password. Else then we have the different entries. So watching this one, ID for ID1, we deleted it. ID2, we have this one, which is read others post. We have the edit, which EE94 edit others post. Then we have the we need to create one as admin. So write inspect user ID and then impersonate create as others post as impersonation. We have the delete. So the delete was simply let's say this one, which is 4. So I use this link and switch the number 4 here. And we have the delete here. And we are missing the last one. So what could we do? Yes. Okay, it doesn't look like it's going to be. It doesn't look like it's going to be vulnerable to XSS. So you have possibly hints here, and one of them is saying 189 times 5. 189 5 times 945. So what if it's actually telling us to go okay, that was it. So if we didn't have that specific hint, what the usual thing that you would do would be basically having a fuzzer running the ID sequentially and verifying that the length of the body or the response time or the status code is actually changing for the specific ID. And with that, it's our seventh flag and ID equal 945. And that conclude our post Hackerone CTF easy CTF challenge. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.